51.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for Washtenaw County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a funnel cloud near Dexter. A tornado may develop at any time. Doppler radar showed this dangerous storm moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Hudson Mills Metro Park around 5:35 p.m. Dexter around 5:40 p.m. Delhi Mills around 5:55 p.m. Martin Hills around 6:05 p.m. Ann Arbor around 6:15 p.m. Dixboro around 6:25 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Willis, Dixboro, Ypsilanti, Saline, Salem, Milan, Dexter, Ann Arbor,